This amazing Pika AI tool has been trending for weeks now. I'm also using it to create some amazing effects. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can use it in simple steps. Open up your Google Chrome and you're going to search for Pika AI Art. Click on the first link. First, let's get started by signing up if you don't have an account with them. Once the page is open, this is how the user interface is, and these are the different effects you can use on this website. And for this tutorial, I'm going to be using this squish it effect. So you are going to click on the effect you want, and right here I'm going to sign up because I don't have an account with them yet. If you have an account, just click on sign in right up here. So for me, I'll click on sign up. There are different methods in which you can sign up. Either you use your Google, your Facebook, your Discord, either one that works for you, or even your email address. And once you are in, this is how the interface looks like. You can see these are different type of effects you can use. Some of them are really very scary. If you want to change the aspect ratio of your video or of the effect you want to generate, click on these two lines and you'll be able to change the ratio if it's for YouTube Shorts, Instagram, TikTok, or any platform you want to use your effects for. Inside this box where you have negative prompts is where you will write your negative prompt. The negative prompts are things that the AI should avoid when generating your effect. So you can write things like bad hand, you put your comma, big head, blind eyes, ugly face. All these things are things you can put inside your negative prompt. So now that we now have an overview of how this website works, let's go back and generate the main thing that brought us here. Now click on image so that you can upload the image sample you want. And this will open up your image folders. This is the image I'm going to be using, and you click on done. If you want to change the effects, you have the opportunity now to change the effects by clicking on effects, and you select from the available options, or you describe the kind of effect you want in this description box. And once you are done with your description, click on this star icon and your effect is going to be generated. It's going to take about a minute, so you can leave it, then you come back. You can see my image is almost done, and now the effect has been applied to the image and the video is ready. You can see the final result here. So once you are satisfied with it, you are going to click on download, and your video is going to be saved to your download folder. At the end of the day, this is my final result. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye for now.